Hello, today we are going to experiment with Blu Mark Roti mix by making Cheelas. To make Cheela, empty 1 sachet of Blu Mark Roti mix in a bowl. Add finely chopped onion, 2 chopped green chilies and coriander to it. Add some salt and 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. Add 120 ml of water to above mixture. For 1 portion of flour, add equal portion of water. Mix it well to form a uniform batter. Grease the pan and heat it. Spread the batter uniformly on a preheated pan. Cover the pan with the lid and turn the gas on high flame. After 2 minutes, turn the gas on low flame. Remove the lid and turn the cheela upside down to roast the upper surface. Serve hot with sauce or pickle or chutney.